Hello everyone, and today I decided to back on Money Train 4 because I kinda obsessed with this bonus buys. Just normal bonus buys, because last video I won huge. You see this balance? It was like under 100. So, I have a crazy idea. We're going to try some strat I invented, maybe someone is using it. It's basically almost raising strat with bonus buys and with couple conditions. So basically, I'm starting to do original feature with $10. Yeah, let's start. With $10. If it flops, like 2 or 3 times, we'll decide it later. I'll gonna raise the bet, but maximum bet I can afford it's like 50. But I'll hope it will not be flopping offers, so we can continue this journey. Yeah, also it will be on the speed, this speed, and yeah, you see this flopped. And after good win, we're gonna reset our bonus buys to lowest and climb again. Yeah, let's go. We already started. If you want to support my channel, you can use code gumgum on Rollbit. It will be really helpful. Let's go second time. I'll try to make this video fast, because all previous videos was very long, very long. I'll stop fast spinning when something will happen. For now, yeah, I kinda, to be honest, expecting it to flop heavily on me today, because, you know, oh, what? Oh no, it's bad now. Yeah, because I got huge win yesterday, and I was spinning today off screen. And to be honest, I won some more, but then lose some more. Yeah, you get the idea. I don't expect much, but because of yesterday's win, I kinda want to spin and spin and spin this. What? Wow! It opened. it literally opened 2 rows at once. Never happened to me before. Okay, it's already profit. Yeah, this is why I love normal spins here, original, not persistent. Because I saw many people spinning persistent spins, and it's like 500x you need to do to break even. I think even with persistent, it had huge, just massive chance to flop. Just massive chance. I saw many people rolling this persistent feature spins, feature bonuses, losing all money. So this way, with normal bonuses, I can basically do more, and I can still get persistent, like now. So it's win-win. It's entertaining and it's easy to break even. Yeah, I think here I will break even if it's not dying instantly. Yeah, I can. You see? Please collect this, please collect, please. Oh my god, it's already huge. It's already massive. Yeah. You see? I kinda pretty calm with this buys, which usually not the case when I'm spinning slots, and this is just great. Yeah, you see, back-to-back wins, and it's only back-to-back wins because we spinning normal feature. So if you're gonna gamble, try to spin this. If you have big balances, if you can spin more, you can just spin normal feature, but with more more basic bets. Second strike. Let's go third strike. 3 flops and we raise the bet. Oh, it would be nice. Also, I like here. Yeah, I know some people hating on the slot, but I kinda like it and enjoying it. Well, we in profit. Okay, no raising bets, I think. It's dead, but we in profit. Nice. It don't want me to go to go higher. Maybe it just scared I will get max win on the high bet. I'm still not lost anything in this video. Well, it's persistent sniper, guys. Yeah, I like it. Let's shoot this multipliers to the moon. Yes. Please save me. No. Still profit again. What is happening today? We're gonna raise. Let's go 20 bucks. You see, it's gonna take all my money now. I feeling it. Let's go again. Spin number 2. Yeah, sniper in. And it's persistent. Yes, it's persistent. Oh my god, it could be huge. Please don't die now. Please just don't die. I even slow you down. Please save me. Save. No, it's not. No, it's not doing. Please shoot here. Shoot. Yes. We officially in profit. Okay. Back to the beginning. Yeah, kinda in the safe zone. Let's go. Yes, enable. Kinda chilling with... Is this... Oh my god. It's persistent shapeshifter. It could be huge. It could be huge win. Please. Unlocker. And it's persistent collector. Oh my god. What is happening? Please don't die now. It can be huge. Please. Sniper. At least shoot persistent collector. Yes. Another one. And another. No. Please save me. Please save me. Save me. Oh no. Oh no. Can we have a pair? No, I mean collector pair. Yeah, it's good. It's good. We back to win. Back to winning streak, guys. We still not down much. It's again doing something. Yeah, I'm gonna slow it down. Blam, blam, blam. Sorry, got distracted a little with crypto things. Oh my god, look at this. Look at what is going on? Yeah. Yeah. Let's necromant these things. Please revive. Oh no, I clicked. Fuck. Is this a flop officially? I don't know, guys. Is this a flop? What do you think? Yeah, I think so. Let it be flop. So far, this strategy is working. Kinda. A little. I don't know. I hope so. Persistent pair. It want to pay me. Yeah, I think I gonna slow it down here. And we watch. It's even 3x. It should be profit. I think we're gonna go to original bet size after that. Yeah. Feels like it. Small chance it will flop. Yeah, not now. Yeah. And we gonna maybe, yeah, unlocker. Nice. Oh, too bad it will unlock after pair. But it's okay, we already in profit. And we're gonna be in even huge profit. Drop something? Yes. It's very nice, it's very good. Get good. Oh my god, it can stop. And I like it. Let's go. Oh my god, keep going. Yes. Now, arms dealer. Oh my god, it is huge. It's huge. Pair, please. Collector. It's great. It's great. Oh my god. Another one, please. Another one. No. It's dead. Yes. Arms dealer dead. No. Only one. Please don't die. Please revive arms dealer. Okay, give me another arms dealer. I can't speak, sorry. It's already huge win. Yes. Nice. Too bad arms dealer didn't do shit. You know how it can sometimes make whole board. Yeah, it's nice win. We actually in profit, officially in profit for the video, but we're going again. I want more. Oh no, it's long video again. Well, not huge loss, and we are raising the bet. It's even times 10 already. Good pair, but not persistent. It's set. Oh, persistent collector. Nice. Yeah, go fast. Or not. Yeah, no. We already have someone persistent. It's good persistent, not short short range persistent. So let's go slow. Yeah, and not die, please. We are officially in profit, so we're gonna back to previous bet size. Yeah, not huge profit, but it's okay. You know, this slot with this max win, like huge max win, it's okay even get it on the lowest bet. It really wants to drop arms dealer persistent. I feeling good bonus buy here, actually. Yeah, kinda persistent sniper and not dying instantly. I said not dying instantly. Hello? Did you hear that? Game? Yeah. Okay. Are we in profit? Yeah, we are in profit. So, good for me. Yeah, it's kinda going to become kinda guys, I'm kinda becoming nervous with it bet size, but we can win huge. Oh no, shapeshifter. Persistent. Necromancer person. Yeah, it's baiting hard. Reset. Wow. It's huge. But drop something else. Yes, saved. Again. Drop something. Stop. It's actually not huge, but it will help. And unlocker also. And here will be pair x4 for every slot. Let's go. We're going slow now. Can it be huge win? We are also in profit already. We also unlocking shit. Left and right. And up and down. Don't die. No. Don't you dare. Yeah, it's barely. Raising the bet. Oh my god, it's again really long video. Sorry guys. I wish I had viewers actually. Maybe I need max win to get noticed by anyone. Let's go. Juice more. Okay. Collect this. Okay. This is nice. And it's also... Yeah, this is nice. It's profit. It's official. Yeah, it's gonna collect every spin and it's gonna collect again. Oh, too bad it's not persistent, and too bad it's not all board collector. But can you save me again? Yeah, it's huge. Should I stop after that? I don't know. I kinda wanna continue to play. Maybe I need to start streaming, but yeah. Where's the viewers? Yeah, it's a good hit. Good hit. Wow, nice. Didn't expect this good. Okay. We kinda again in profit. I need every video now to be fantastic for me. To get some viewers, because my channel is very new. But yeah, I kinda have decent hits here, but not so decent to be noticed. It's a shitty persistent pair. Thank you. Wow. Doing huge work. Huge work. And it's that. Yeah, I will record just in case. Persistent sniper. Could be good. I gonna slow it down. Please. Give me some title. Give me title. Go now for 2 dead. No. It gonna shoot X1. Yes. Go dead, but not completely. Oh my god. I want to unlock this. And it will be huge. If we can unlock for this row, it will be full board. And it's gonna collect, and it's... Oh, you know. No, it's dead. Yes. What the fuck? I didn't notice this. Whoa. Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it. Nice hit. Nice. Back to the beginning. Well, eventually, guys, I may 2 in a row. Is it want to give me max win? Hello? Yeah, but it's lower bet size. And it's not actually dying. Right. And it's shooting same. And it's looking nice. Yeah. Again this. And again this. Okay, and another one. Yes, and another one. And shoot here. No, here. No, shoot here. No, shoot. Oh my god, what are you doing? Shoot here. Here. Please. Stop avoiding it. Oh my god. Dude. Shoot here. Thank you. Another one. And another one. Oh no. No. Here. Please. Oh my god. Still good. Should I stop now? I don't know. I don't know. Go crazy, please. Okay, saved, saved, saved. Saved. Sniper. Decent, but not anything special pair. Oh, so a shitty pair. Go crazy. Go crazy. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Now, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Another, yes. Can I have pair this? Global pair this, and it will be huge. Please don't die, arms dealer. Please don't die. Oh no. Oh no, it's dead. Oh no, it's saved. Another row. Can we open whole board? Sniper. Imagine necromancer now. Imagine. Collector pair. Oh no, you picked bad one. No, no. Now it's going to be dead. No? What is happening? What? Am I gonna fill all the board here? Is it even possible? No, it's dead. No, it's not dead. What is happening? What is this? What is this? What is happening? I feel all bored. What the fuck? Thank you for watching. I think I gonna stop here. What was that? Thank you, and bye bye.